Look at this function setup. When students see a sigma notation inside a functional equation, they automatically assume it's an advanced calculus challenge and skip it. That is a massive mistake. The summation is just a dummy constant hiding a classic system of equation trick. So let's think sharp.
Hey thinkers, welcome back to Think Sharp Alley, where every turn leads to a smart solution.
Now notice that we have been given this equation whose value depends upon m. And the value of m is nothing but the sum of the squares of first 9 natural number. So we have standard formula this. We are going to use this for the value n equal to 9. So putting n equal to 9, we have summation I square as 9 into 10 into 19 by 6. So we need m by 19x. So let's take this 19 on the left hand side and we have m by 19 equal to 9 into 10 by 6, which is equal to 15. So see how it reduces to a simple number. So our function simplifies to this. Let's call it equation 1. Now from here we use a classic mirror substitution. That is, in place of x, we put 15 by x. To generate two simultaneous linear equations that will help us to isolate fx completely. So let's see how the function turns out to be. X is replaced by 15 by x. Here 15 divide x. So 15 divide 15 by x, which gives me just x. And in the right hand side we had 5 times x. So it becomes 5 times 15 by x. Upon solving it, we get 5 times 15, which is 75 by x. And that becomes our equation number 2. Now you can treat fx and f15 by x as two variables in standard linear system. And we want to eliminate f15 by x. So equation 1 we need to multiply by 3 and we get this. And equation 2 we need to multiply by 2 to get this. And on subtracting we get 9 minus 4, which is 5 fx. These two terms gets cancelled and 15x minus 150 by x, taking common denominator, we have 15x square minus 150x. From the numerator we can take 15 common and dividing the entire equation by 5. We have this. Now that we have got the function, we can easily evaluate the value of f5 and f2. Now we just plug in our target values. f5, which gives me 9, and f2, which gives me minus 9. So let's calculate their difference. So 9 minus minus 9, which gives me 18. So for this question, option A is your clean, flawless victory. When dealing with functional equations, look for reciprocal substitution to build a solvable system. If you crack this simultaneous trick on your own, drop a thunder in the comments below. Subscribe to Think Sharp Alley and I'll see you in question 17.